Hey everyone, Luis here. I'm back, and this time it will be something different from what I do normally, which is normally talk about resin printing, all the process involving 3D printing with resin and things like that. This time I will talk about new equipment, and this is a laser engraver and cutter from Longer. It's the RAY5. They contacted me and asked me if I could test and use the machine. And disclaimer here, I'm not an expert on that. I've never used a laser cutter and engraver before. It's my first experience with this type of machine, so I'll just give an overview of my experience using it. I will not do a review of it since I'm not an expert on that. So I will talk on a point of view of someone that is using this kind of thing for the first time, okay? So thank you Longer for sending it. They send it very fast, but I have some struggle, some personal struggle in the past few months that just prevented me to release this video before, but I'm doing now, so hope you enjoy it, okay? So let's get started with the what I think about it, okay? First of all, I will show here a quick video on a time lapse of me opening the box and also assembling the machine. And I have to say it was a very easy and quick thing to do. It was a very normal experience. I would say it did not take that much time. It was not a difficult task for me to do that. So I believe it's something that anyone with following the proper instructions will be able to do, as you see here in the video. So don't be afraid of trying the machine because you need to mount it or anything like that. If you follow the instructions, you'll be more than okay with that, okay? So after I'm out the engraver, my next task was to start it and try it, okay? You need to calibrate with this piece here to see for the laser to have the proper height and the proper distance from the wood that you are going to engrave. And I engraved the test file. I had some problem to just align the laser in the proper place. It's not, but it's an easy thing to do, okay? The good thing is that you can you have three ways for you to engrave the files, okay, to use the printer. One is to use the USB that comes with the with the engraver. The other, you can use the cable, as I'm doing here. I'm connected the cable directly with the notebook, and the other way is via Wi-Fi. And I think it gives a plenty of options on how to deal with that. It's really interesting thing, okay? The good things that I can say about this engraver, okay? I just have this test here that I printed from them. I bought some wood to test it, and I need still to learn to use it more. But I printed a picture of me and my son here on this plywood. But it's a very straightforward process. I did not try the cut function yet, but the engraving, I think it's very easy and straightforward to do. Okay, things that I really think it makes this engraver stand from others that I see in the market. I did a little bit of research on that, and I saw others, and I see that it's not common to have a touch screen on the engraver, and this one has a very big one with a lot of functions here, very easy to work with. Another thing is the Wi-Fi function is something that it's not common in this type of equipment. I think it's very high quality and easy to work with. I just assembled it, following the instructions that came with it, and it was really easy for me to start to print and engrave using it. Really easy to work with. Things that you need to pay attention when you are going to use that, and I think it's maybe for improvements in the future, and I even see people doing some custom adjustments on that to avoid this problem. Okay, one is the smoke. It generates a lot of smoke. It's important for you to be on a open, close to a window, or have I don't know, an air purifier or something like that, or an air extractor to take the smoke outside of the room, because it generates a lot of smoke. And it's okay, because it's you are burning wood, right? You are burning the material with the laser, so it's important. It will generate heat, and it will burn, and it will generate smoke. Okay. The other thing is that it's loud. The noise that the printer does while it's on, it's very loud. So it's something that it's not a quiet machine. So you need to have that in consideration when you start to use it. You're not going to use it close to, I don't know, the bedroom of your son sleeping or anything like that. So you're probably going to keep it on a more isolated space, okay? But beside these things, I think it's a very nice equipment. It's not expensive. I think it's on the $300 range. It's a very nice equipment for you to have to complement your work with other things, right? You can do, for example, these engravings in laser engravings. You can do laser cutting for example, board game inserts, for example, and this custom inserts for board games. It's interesting for you if you find the right project on internet, or you can do it yourself. It works great for you for this kind of thing, okay? Hope you enjoy it, and thank you again, Longer, for sending me this equipment. I will explore it more in the next months to see if I can know more about this new universe, because it's a complete new thing for me, and it's fun anyway. So I hope I will have the same interest that I have doing my 3D print with my resin printers, okay? See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.